Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Everything to Zeed. So today's video is a bit different. It's a haul again. So what I got for my brothers from Ideas and Engine, and I'll tell you which one is better. So watch it till the end to know. First up is this brown shirt. It's from Ideas Gul Ahmed. ये 9 to 10 years old वाले kids पहन सकते हैं. सेंटर पे इसके ये स्टिकर दिया गया है और इसका फैब्रिक काफ़ी सॉफ्ट है. इसकी जो प्राइस है 1690 है, बट सेल की प्राइस स्क्रीन पे मेंशन हो जाएगी. नेक्स्ट अप इज दिस ब्लू शर्ट. इट्स ऑल्सो फ्रॉम आइडियाज़ और इसकी जो कॉस्ट है वो है 1890, बट हमें ये सेल पे कितने की पड़ी वो स्क्रीन पे हम मेंशन कर देंगे. ये It's for 9 to 10 years old kids. Fabric is very soft and it looks very stylish. Next up is this green shirt. It's also from Ideas and it's for 9 to 10 years old kids, and the price is 1690 and the sale price will be mentioned on the screen. The fabric quality is very amazing and it has this sticker on the center of the shirt. Next up, it's also from Gul Ahmed. The price will be mentioned on the screen. It's for 9 to 10 years old kid. इस पर ये स्टिकर की डिटेलिंग की गई है and it's in full sleeves because I got it from winter collection and the stuff is very nice. Another shirt from kids collection. It's for 11 to 12 years old kids. Sale price will be mentioned on the screen. The fabric quality is just amazing and you can see the detailing on the shirt. It looks very casual and cool. Next up is this sweatshirt. It's also from Ideas. The cost will be mentioned on the screen. The fabric quality is very nice, very warm, and it will be perfect for winters. Then we have this trouser. It's from Ideas. The price will be mentioned on the screen. So this trouser has this zip on the side. The fabric is very comfortable and soft. Then we have this denim short. It's again from Ideas. The price will be mentioned on the screen. The quality of this short is just okayish. It's a bit hard on skin. Personally, I don't like it. Then we have another short from Ideas and the price will be mentioned on the screen. The fabric of this short is very soft and very nice. Actually very comfortable. And here comes Engine. The first thing I got is this trouser. The price will be mentioned on the screen. It's in large size. The fabric is soft but the stitching could have been better. It's not nice. I didn't like it personally. ये सेल आर्टिकल था, otherwise हम इसे रिटर्न कर देते, but I had to keep it. Okay, so last up is this Engine shirt. The price will be mentioned on the screen. We bought it in small size. This shirt has this white detailing on the front and I personally like this shirt. This shirt is my favorite from men's article. हमें पर्सनली आइडियाज़ गुल अहमद की क्वालिटी ज़्यादा अच्छी लगी. इंजन की क्वालिटी अच्छी थी बट ठीक ठाक ही थी. उसके जो फैब्रिक है वो इतना सॉफ्ट नहीं था जितना गुल अहमद का सॉफ्ट था, और गुल अहमद का जो फैब्रिक है वो काफ़ी रिलायबल है इंजन से. आई गेस इंजन का कपड़ा आफ्टर वॉश खराब हो सकता है, पर गुल अहमद का विल लास्ट यू अ लॉन्ग टाइम. इफ़ यू फाउंड दिस वीडियो हेल्पफुल, प्लीज़ like, share and subscribe to our channel. We'll meet you soon in the next video. Till then, stay confident, stay stylish.